Oh, you're being such a silly boy. It's late. It's time to go to bed. Time to go night-night. Not time to play like a crazy boy. Oh, you are so silly. Yes, you are. What are you going to do? Where are you going? Where are you going? Now what are you going to do? Oh, you're so silly. Yes, you are. Time to go night-night. You had lots of playtime in Mummy's bedroom like we always do every night. You got to walk all over the bed, dance to some music, listen to all your favorite YouTube videos of all the cockatiel friends, and we watched a veterinary show. Hey? You should be all tuckered out, ready to go to bed. Go night-night. Not be hanging upside down. Why are you hanging upside down, silly boy? What are you doing? You're being a nut. You're being a nut. Silly boy. Silly boy. I'm watching you. Upside down birdie. Hanging from the top of the bars. You're a little nut job. Okay, Mommy has to go say goodnight to Nibbles. Yeah, Nibbles' turn.